We got a great video for you today on how to have fun camping. That's right, guys, we got a good one for you. This one is all about, are you ready? We're going to compare two of our favorite Jayco Super Cs. That's right, Super C RVs. And we're going to look at the Seneca XT versus the other Seneca, which you guys are going to absolutely love. So overall, if you haven't, definitely subscribe to the channel. We're down at that Florida Super RV Super Show in Tampa. It is amazing. But you can check us out on Facebook, Instagram. Check out our website, howtohavefuncamping.com. Hit that notify button. We got all kinds of RV reviews. And don't forget about our big sister channels. How to Have Fun Outdoors, the mothership. Over 200,000 subs and well over 11 million views. But we now have cruising, hiking, fishing. We got them all. But back here on camping, you're going to want to definitely subscribe. We do all kinds of RV reviews on everything. Class B, C's, motorhomes, travel trailers, you name it. We do it. Class A's. But we also do all the campgrounds. Well, let's look at this one. Are you guys ready? Jayco Seneca XT. This is one beast. This is on the F600. It is a monster. It's the 35L J Ride, and this thing is amazing. On this big Ford diesel chassis with that power stroke, it is gorgeous. Brand new interior design on this. Big old cushy seats, and this one is gorgeous with the full paint. You gotta love it. It is beautiful. And take a look. Here we are, guys. 312 marked down to 224. And that's a huge savings. They're running great deals on this. Alicia and I actually picked up one of these Seneca XTs, the smaller version, the 30-footer, for under $200,000 just a couple of days ago. And we'll be showing that in the future. But there you go. You got your outdoor, TV, stereo system. Lots of cool storage here, as you can see as we walk around. This is, again, the Seneca XT. Full fiberglass on the back. Big old ladder. Hitch on here. Can tow up to 12,000 pounds. Absolutely awesome. And look at the slide outs. And believe it or not, we're not doing a deep dive in here. We wanted to show you this rig, just kind of give you a quick comparison. But this definitely can come with the AGM or the lithium batteries. Has solar, also has the generator. But let's walk inside. I mean, this is a 4x4, guys, with a 2-inch lift. Look at that dinette. You've got the seat attachments for the children's seats, but you've got seat belts all the way through here. So if you're going out to a big old rodeo and you got horses, no problem. You can get the whole family buckled up in here. And take a look at this bunk. 750 pounds, best in class. Big old slide window, gorgeous bunk over the chassis. Theater seating, as you can look back onto that pop-up TV. These are really nice. And overall, you can see this is a pretty sweet rig. And we fell in love with this one. We just wanted the shorter one with the no slide out, so we went with that. We're going to be, like I said, doing a lot of videos with that in the future. But this is the extended version, and as you can see, there is tons of room with these slide outs. And they've really upgraded the contemporary type of cabinets. You got your convection oven. You've got really, really nice cabinets. Really sweet back splash there, as you can see with the stone. And, I can't say enough about it. Big kitchen sink. And as you can see, plenty of storage for sure. So no question about it. This is a gorgeous unit. Under lighting there. And you come over and you got a full-size commercial, just like your house refrigerator. I mean, that fridge is bigger than my fridge at home. How about this pantry? Really, really nice. Nice cabinets. You've got your touch screen here, Firefly setup. We won't go through all of that, but obviously this has got AGS, which is a big win. If you've got pets, you can control the temperature in the winter and in the summer. The ACs will kick on. You've got your mid shower here, full size split bath as you come across to the other side, and big old bathroom here with your toilet. Lots of storage in here, undermounted stainless steel sink. And then boom, you pop into the back. And look at the size of this bed. Got your lighting up top, power on both sides. You've got a really nice 30-inch electrical fireplace there with your television, all of your storage. Swing across over here and you can see how much room you have in this thing. It's absolutely gorgeous, guys. Big old pocket door, really good quality, nice solid door on the bathroom. We swing back through, and as you can see, just a really nice looking unit. And again, this is on the diesel, 4x4, 2-inch lift, big tires, high quality, great fit and finish. And right now you can get these things at a great price because they're a higher ticket item. And but this is, if you're looking for that 4x4 style, we're going to show you the other Seneca that they do, and you can compare the two, and that's what this video is all about. But overall, really, really nice unit. As you can see, all the different paint jobs and graphics you can get with this. But again, marked down $87,000, 2-year warranty on this thing. But now we're going to look at the next one. That's right, the Seneca Prestige. So this is another Super C, lots of slide outs, huge rig. As you can see the big canopy here. But this, unlike the 4x4 version, kind of gives you that bus motor coach kind of feel to it. And you're going to get to see, look at the storage on this thing. Absolutely incredible. This is on the Freightliner 2SRV chassis. This thing has got tons of horsepower, tons of torque. It also pulls 12,000 pounds. There is your TV, outlet, stereo, everything. So when you pop in that pop in the campground, you're able to just get the picnic tables out, get the chow going, the grill, and watch your favorite football game, you name it. But there it is. Take a look at that big Freightliner chassis. This thing is a monster. And what's cool about this, easy flip down the hood. You can work on this vehicle, pretty straightforward. And this is a cruiser. I mean, if you're retired or, doing a lot of back and forth around the country, this is one sweet rig for sure. Look at the colors on it, are fantastic. Easy to get at the engine. Freightliner, these things are just, beast. I mean, this thing is solid as it's going to get for your diesel and very comfortable riding. In my opinion, these things, both of these Super Cs, ride a little nicer than a classic Class A, especially the gas side of it. But overall, really, really nice unit. Look at that full paint, chrome wheels, really nice mufflers off the back. Same type of setup up top here, 750 pounds. You get two people up there, sliding shade on that window so you can look right on out. Got the flat screen up front, Xantrax inverter. Look down on your chassis. But look at the size and all the cabinetry. And again, this isn't a motor coach Prevost bus, but it gives you that type of feel. I mean, it is really, really nice. And for this price point, it's hard to beat that. I mean, no question about it. This is a gorgeous rig. The flip out, little extra counter space there, huge sink. Again, a convection microwave, so you can do both. You can pop pizzas in there. Induction stovetop, really, really nice. 2 burners on that, drawers underneath, but underlighting, really, really sweet. Come back across, lots of cabinets here, guys, and plenty of storage. So you can see that really nice cabinets, a nice finish to them, more contemporary looking, compared to some of the previous models. Again, you can buckle in the child seat. You also have the seat belt, so this is all DOT ready to go. And even on the sofas, you can see it over there. So you can take quite a few people, 2 + 4 + 3. I mean, that's a big group of people that you can take out to the football game and do some tailgating, or off to, the NASCAR race. You got it all. So once again, the electric fireplace along with the television swinging around here. You can see this is all one giant slide out. And then we're going to walk right up in here and take a look at this bathroom. Pretty sweet setup. This is a mid-bath. And so all your guests, everyone else can use this. Nice window, fans, LED lighting again, corner, sink and cabinets. But then as we swing back through, you're going to have another pocket door.
All right, Alicia, let's check out the bathroom and the master bath and the master bedroom.
All right, come on in.
Wow, look at
Very
this.
Spacious. Look at this.
Little on and off
Yeah.
buttons here. Pretty cool.
Yeah. You have a lot of storage, space for your laundry. There are both a washer and dryer inside here.
Big mirror, TV.
Mirror, TV,
Ooh.
nice window with nice
Come here.
vanity.
Let's say hi to everybody. Hey! We're having fun. Florida Super RV show.
And right in the back, nice shower. Let's see how I fit in the shower.
Yeah, let's see what you can do in there.
Ooh, la 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 la! I can dance in it. Woo.
Nice,
It's
huh?
awesome.
Pretty,
Yeah.
pretty sweet. Absolutely.
Yeah, very nice. And obviously, I love that there are several mirrors in the unit.
Yeah.
Plenty of storage. Very well divided.
There's a ton of storage in this thing. No question about it. And there is your, look at there, washer, dryer, all built in. Very cool. And I like how they did this really nice with the left. And we pop it in like that. Looks good, huh? High quality, looks good.
Very good.
Nice TV. Pretty sweet overall. I mean, all right, Alice, pretty nice bedroom.
Yes, absolutely. Look at how spacious it is. Very well divided by the area with for your social environment.
Hey, Rocky.
Rocky and Gypsy are already enjoying
Gypsy.
it and relaxing after 3 full days of Florida RV show. And come on, guys, let us know in the comment down below. What do you think about this unit? What do you think about the countertop, the cabinetries, the layout? Overall, do you like Jayco? And don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and thank you so much for watching.
How to have fun camping.